Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever heard terms like SAP, Oracle, or ERP systems and wondered what they actually mean, today I'm going to break it down all in the simplest possible way. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what ERP is, but also why companies need it and why you should consider ERP as a solid career choice. Let's dive in. So, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It sounds complex, but let me simplify it for you. Think of a college or university. There's a college. So, a college or university, it has different departments. Like there's admissions, then there is library, then there is accounts, then examination cell, hostel management, placement cell. Now imagine if each of these departments use its own separate software that doesn't talk to the others. The accounts department has no idea which student dropped out. And the placement cell doesn't know the student's updated CGPA. This is quite chaotic, right? Now imagine there's one central system where all of these departments are connected. All these departments are connected in one central system. You update a student's profile in one place into admission, and as soon as the admission is done, and every other place, it is dated automatically in real time. That's what ERP does, but for companies. ERP integrates different functions like finance, HR, sales, procurement, inventory, production, all into one system so the entire organization runs smoothly into one source of truth. Let's take one more example of a pizza chain. There's a pizza chain. Let's say it's a pizza chain for the people to make it simple. So there's a pizza chain. Okay. Now, let's say you order a pizza on Zomato. You ordered a pizza. Now, behind the scenes, what is going to happen is first thing, sales system. So as soon as you place the order, sales system records the order. Right? Second thing, what is going to happen is inventory system. Inventory system is going to check if cheese and veggies and whatever stuff is needed to make the pizza is available or not. Right? Next, procurement system. Procurement system auto generates a purchase order. If any of this stock is low, for example, cheese is low, for example, pizza base is low, whatever stock is low, so it is going to automatically generate the purchase order. Next, accounting system. Accounting system is going to log the sales and update the revenue. This is what accounting system is going to do. Next, HR system. HR system is going to manage the chef's attendance and payroll, right? Without chef, this is not possible. Now, if each department is using different software, all of these departments are using different software, they all will work in silos. Lots of delays, errors, and confusion. Ultimately, business loss. But with ERP, everything happens in one flow. One order triggers One order triggers and it automatically updates everything across all departments. That's why companies need ERP. Okay, so primarily, what are the top reasons behind companies needing ERP? Or why do companies need ERP? First thing we understood is there's real time data, right? Everything is updating in real time. So, real time data. Second thing is automation. It is getting updated in one department and automatically other department is also getting the things updated. So there's less of manual work, fewer chances of errors, right? Then because of all this, there's better decision making because reports are accurate. Then there is cost savings. Why cost savings? Because operations are streamlined across departments, reduced overhead costs. Then last we can say is compliance with taxes, with audits and legal standards. Okay. So in short, we can say more efficiency, fewer headaches. Okay. The next we have is what are the types of ERPs? Types of ERP. So we have centralized. First, we will see decentralized. Decentralized ERP, this is old style, we say. Okay. So old style. Now, what happens in decentralized? Each department or branch here, whatever we saw, each department or branch, they are going to use its own data, tools, or spreadsheets. Okay. No real time synchronization. So each department will use its own data. No real time sync. Okay. Example of decentralized. Let's say a retail chain. Example DMart, right? We have DMart. So if there is a DMart, each outlet of DMart maintain its own inventory records. Okay. So the head office, what it has to do, head office has no clue how much stock is at each outlet unless someone is going to email it manually, right? So there are lots of DMarts outlet. Now, how they are going to get, keep records of those? So we have centralized ERP. Centralized ERP, what is it doing? This is modern ERP like we have SAP, like we have Oracle. So centralized ERPs, everything is integrated. There's one central database, everything is integrated. For example, in the same DMart example, we will take the in the DMart, okay, the head office sees live stock updates from all outlets. Okay, no emails needed. If stock, for example, if DMart Mumbai, okay, stock is running low in Mumbai, it can be auto shipped from Delhi, right? So centralized ERP meaning one nation is equal to one system. Okay. Now coming to why this is a good career choice. Why you should care as a student. So massive job market. Massive job market. Right? Then we have global opportunities. You have a lot of on-site opportunities where you can go. High salaries, obviously, we all want that, right? Non-coding career, so you don't need to worry if you are from arts, commerce. This is not a coding career. ERP has both technical and functional roles. Okay, even commerce and arts students can shine here. So non-coding career. Then obviously it is evolving with AI, cloud, automation. Okay, you have to grow with it. If you don't change, if you don't evolve, you don't shine. Right? So it is future growth. Okay. So to summarize, let's summarize all of this. ERP is the central nervous system of a company. Okay. Summary. ERP is the central nervous system. It keeps everything connected from HR to finance to sales to procurement, everything is connected. Okay. Then companies need to grow faster and work smarter. With those, we also need to grow faster and work smarter. And students, you have got a huge opportunity to build a stable global career in ERP Point. If this video helped you understand ERP better, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more career-friendly content like this on SAP. If you have got some questions, drop them in the comments. I would love to help. See you in the next video. Thanks, everyone.